real-time insights through interactivity. Let me walk you through how this works using the dashboard we have in front of us. Starting with the top section, we have a pie chart that shows profit by company. This chart represents two companies, Bristol and IPCA. Now here's where the interactive power of Power BI comes in. The moment you click on either Bristol or IPCA within the pie chart, every other visual on the dashboard will instantly update to reflect the data specific to that company. Let's take Bristol as an example. If I click on the section of the pie chart that represents Bristol, the entire dashboard will filter to show you how much of the total sales, profits, and quantities are directly related to Bristol alone. This allows you to isolate performance metrics for that company without needing to dive into separate reports or spreadsheets. It's seamless and instantaneous. For instance, after selecting Bristol, the bar chart in the bottom right that shows sum of profit by product will only display products sold by Bristol. You will see how each product contributes to the company's profitability and which ones stand out as the most successful. Now let's move to the sales by sales rep visual on the right side of the dashboard. When you select a company in the pie chart, this bar graph will also change to show how each of your sales reps, Stay, Ramanath, and Krishna, performed exclusively for that company. Let's say Bristol is selected. You'll immediately see the sales and profit figures for Ramanath and Krishna when working with Bristol. You'll be able to tell if one sales rep is driving the majority of the business for that company, or if both are contributing equally. This kind of insight can help you make more strategic decisions about resource allocation, or even identify where one rep might need additional support or training. Similarly, this interactivity applies to product performance. Let's say after selecting Bristol in the pie chart, you notice that the sum of quantity by product visual updates accordingly. You can now see which specific products are being sold the most by Bristol. For instance, it might show that Augmentin 625 and Amoxil 500 are leading the way, whereas products like Brohex are trailing behind. This level of detail empowers you to adjust your sales and marketing strategies based on how different products perform for each company. Another great feature is the ability to cross-filter using any visual. So for example, if you want to drill down even further and focus on Ramanath's sales performance, you can click on his bar in the sales by sales rep visual. Once you do, the entire report will update again. Now, instead of showing data for Bristol as a whole, you'll be looking specifically at how Ramanath has performed for that company. The same applies to Krishna, and this allows for detailed, focused analysis of each sales rep's contribution. Lastly, let's talk about how these interactive features allow us to analyze profitability across the board. With the profit by product and profit by sales rep visuals, clicking on any one product or sales rep will update the entire report so that you can isolate that product's or rep's performance in the context of overall sales, quantity sold, and profits. This level of dynamic reporting is incredibly useful for conducting in-depth analysis without having to navigate through multiple reports or dashboards. Everything is right here at your fingertips. In summary, dashboard lies in its interactivity. Whether you're filtering by company, product, or sales rep, every visual dynamically adjusts to give you real-time insights. This capability turns a static report into a powerful analytical tool that enables us to make informed decisions quickly and efficiently. It's not just about looking at raw numbers, it's about understanding the story behind the data. And with Power BI's interactivity, that story unfolds in real time as you click through each visual. Thank you.